Hi, I'm Tutumita. Welcome. In this video, I'm gonna show you Indian Telugu wedding guest eye makeup look, and I look like a ghost with a nude face and with no dress on it because there is no eye makeup now. I'm gonna take this black kohl pencil and I'm gonna draw it on my eyelid. Do not cross your crease so you can draw however you want, and then you have to smoke it with a brush, smudge it with a brush, and create a smoky effect on your eyelid. Again, do not cross your crease line. So this is how it looks, and taking this shade, tap. Okay, don't tap it so much, just one tap. And rise your brows and put this shade in your crease and blend this shade. And taking this dark shade and dab on the smoky shade. So again, do not cross your crease line. Just pack it on the black shade. And with the help of a blending brush with no product on it, just blending the two shades in the crease. And with the help of a black kohl pencil, I drew like a liner and smudged it. And also draw it on a lower waterline. Drawing kajal on a waterline is a task, babe. And below the waterline, I took the black eyeshadow and just applied very little. And took the transition shade and blended it. Now applying mascara to my upper and bottom lashes. If you don't know how to apply it, you can go watch one of my reel. This is a mistake proof mascara technique. You won't get it on your face or eyelid, but you will get it on your fingers if you don't pay attention. My other eyelid is so nude, so I'll go quickly do it. Taking this shimmer shade and applying it on my brow bone, just apply very little, and also in your inner corners. And lip lining with a dark maroon shade, berry shade, and filling it with a nude shade. And just spreading it. That's it. Do save this video. You will love this look. Just try it out and follow Tutumita for more videos. Bye.